Phototherapy occurs naturally all around us. Our cells absorb light and use it to fuel a range of biological processes which make our bodies function. Different wavelengths of light stimulate different responses in the skin. We know that ongoing exposure to UV light is very damaging, but controlled levels of red, blue and near-infrared light are clinically proven to be beneficial. LED phototherapy is the application of these wavelengths into the skin's deepest layers to energize our cells. Skin cells that are energized function better and can regenerate up to 200% faster, which in turn leads to a more youthful, healthy and radiant complexion. Each wavelength of light is absorbed by a different target to stimulate specific skin-enhancing processes. Blemish-fighting blue light targets bacteria in the sebaceous glands, which causes spots. When bacteria absorbs blue light, it triggers a natural photochemical reaction, releasing singlet oxygen. Singlet oxygen has a powerful antibacterial action to help eliminate spots whilst being gentle on the skin. Rejuvenating red light is absorbed in the mitochondria, the cell powerhouse responsible for the production of essential cell energy. Red light supercharges our cells, triggering a cascade of skin-enhancing effects, accelerating cell renewal, boosting collagen and elastin synthesis, and increasing hydration levels for a smoother, more youthful and revitalized complexion. Regenerating near-infrared light is absorbed in the skin's deepest layers and stimulates cellular activity with advanced rejuvenation benefits. Increased blood circulation brings vital oxygen and nutrients to accelerate repair, calm irritation, and build strength for sensitive skin conditions. Dermalux uniquely combines all three wavelengths simultaneously to promote maximum cell activation for superior and lasting results. Utilizing the latest generation LED technology enables focused and concentrated light energy for optimum absorption in the skin. Multi-award-winning Dermalux, the leading light in LED phototherapy.